I fixed my airsoft gun because it's not working today. I teabagged my airsoft gun now because it did not work. Let's fix everything again. Now that we can reach gearbox, we fix gun.
Yes, we
Now we can reach the gearbox and fix the inside of the gun.
Do you have any ice? I'm serious.
Finished product of our gearbox fixing is done. It's very nice. I got yes, so you got the box mag, got the flashlight, very nice. We got the shitty scope. It's alright. It's alright. Yes, this is the same exact gun. I swear to God. You know what? This method works, dude. Try it. It'll work wonders for you.